Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write your letters and documents on Google Docs in Urdu. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you will need to do, guys, is open a new document here on Google Docs, of course. And here at the top, click on font on that arrow down icon next to the current font that is selected for your document. So click on that arrow down icon. And after that, select more fonts at the very top of that drop-down menu. And what you want to do here, guys, is click on that arrow down icon here where it says script, all scripts, and select Arabic from that list of supported scripts below. And after that, simply pick the Arabic font from that list below you would like to use. And that should also work for Urdu if you use these Arabic letters. So that's basically it, guys. Simply select your preferred font and start typing in Arabic or Urdu in or for your documents. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.